Alright, here we have some vintage NuTone Prolines. I just shut them off. I did find the control for them. So, they're just spinning down right now. One of them is actually broken. So we're gonna go turn them on low. It's a variable speed control. I think it's this one right here that's broken. Yeah. Alright. There's the elevator. Alright. Yep, NuTone. Let's turn it all the way to low. Even says paddle fans on it. I can't find the control for the Brewmaster, but I'll see what I can do. Maybe it's on a remote. Let's go upstairs so we can get a good look at them. I don't know if we can, but we'll try. So they're on low. Oh yeah, that one does work. Okay. It's just slower.
Only to buy it.
There's one of them. Yeah, these are definitely NuTone Prolines. These are vintage ones. Dan has one of them, I think. This is awesome, you guys. So here, there's these. There's a Casablanca Victorian, and there's a Fanimation Brewmaster. And since that elevator is crazy fast, we'll take it downstairs and we'll turn them up to high speed. This one must have bad bearings because that one's really slow. It's pretty dusty too. These are cool fans, I really like them. Alright, let's go downstairs and we'll turn them up to high. Yeah, because when I turned them on, when I came in here for the first time, that one wasn't spinning and the rest of them were. So I don't know what the deal is. Now, since I'm in this elevator, I will say that this elevator does have a fan, but it is turned off. The fan is right... it's right over there somewhere. Alright, so we'll go turn the fans on high. Electric room. Whoops, yeah, this is, yeah, very cluttered room. There they go, we're going faster now. I'll go upstairs on the elevator. For those who don't know, this is a vintage Otis Series 1 hydraulic elevator. Series 1 meaning the buttons are Series 1. Look at the dust on that one. Yeah, these don't go very fast, especially considering that they're industrials. That one seems to go the fastest. So after this, I'll try to get the Brewmaster if I can find the remote and or control for it. And then I'll try the Victorian if there's no one in there. Alright, so I'll go put them back where I found them, which was pretty close to low. I'll make it so that other one doesn't stall out. That one's going pretty slow too. There's some of the really bad bearings. So let's go put them back. Look at the floor in here. This is so old, and the breakers have fuses on them. Look how stupid they are. They put the key in the fire alarm panel. So let's turn these back close to low. Let's put it about there. Alright, you guys. So those are the Prolines at, what do you call it? Savage Mill. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go get a look at them. There's the machine room for the elevator. That's pretty good speed because the heat comes down from them. That's pretty good. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.